Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in downtown Nashville, Tennessee. As you can see behind me there is the Rivian dealer here. I've never been to a Rivian dealer. There's none of those in the Midwest where I'm at in Iowa. So first time to a Rivian dealer, and we're gonna go check out the R2, the R1S, all of them. So stick with us. All right guys, here's the R2 in person in white. And this would be the launch edition. So it's the premium. It's got the yellow brake calipers with the launch edition. Just really a 3/4 size R1S. And then yes, it has the awesome window that goes down in the back. That's pretty sweet. I'll pop the hatch here and show you. It's got a decent amount of space. And then it does have the big underneath cubby there, so pretty similar to my Model S. And of course you can fold the seats. They've got a 12-volt outlet here and your 120. The best thing about this one, guys, is this rear seat legroom is insane. I am 6'2", and there's just so much space. So this is where the seat would have been for me. I sat up there already, and look at the legroom. You don't get this in the R1S just because of the third row. So much more room in the back. Definitely one of the roomiest, smaller SUVs in the back seat for sure. Does have a little bit of ambient light right here too. It's hard to see in the day, but it does. Here's the up top. You can see the little aero ducts they've got there for a little more aerodynamics. And here's your tie down, so you can put like a rack on there. Your flashlight. These things are cool. Super cool flashlight. I like that. Nice little touch. See if we can figure out how to turn it on. There we go. Off it is. And then the seats are okay. Got your adjustable down there. I think I'm getting used to these toggles, guys. They're different. They've got like a feedback feel to them. And then of course your nav. Got your HVAC. Let's see what you get there. So one thing the wife will like about this one is you got the Regen settings. Oh, I just turned on the cooled seats. So it does have cooled seats in this launch edition. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. It's got heated seats in the back. Let's see if we can see anything on the cameras. There's the camera view. And they had all the complaints. Yes, they came in and doubled up on glove boxes since the R1S and R1T didn't have any. So you've got plenty of glove box space. And then these are magnetic for the charging pad now, so then they won't slide all over, which is a nice touch. Pretty deep little cubby there, a couple chargers, USB-Cs. Plenty of space down here, guys. And it's all this. Has this cool little slidey tray there too, which is kind of neat. Let's go into the HVAC one more time. It's not going to show me because we have the vehicle turned off, but you can adjust the vents up here in the dash. All right, we're gonna go show you the front real quick. I'll pop that. And it pops and then raises with the gas struts on its own, which is kind of a nice touch. And it does have soft close as well. That's a decent amount of space up here. Doesn't look like it has any plugs for like doing it as a cooler though. Although it does, right down there, guys. So I think you can use this as a cooler as well. And there's your so we'll show you the soft close here.
That was good. Yeah, it was good. Only thing, I'm a little used to an overhead parking on my wife's SUV, so we didn't have that. Oh, it didn't pop up. The cameras popped up at this very yeah, it was just
Yeah, pretty cool little R2. And so they did put the charger, the NACS charger, on the left rear like a Tesla would have. So that's nice. So you can back right in like a Tesla at all the Tesla chargers. But I'm going to show you the spec that we're thinking about getting on one of these guys. The color called Borealis. It's like a purple color, but stay tuned and I'll show you that up on the screen. But I'm going to give you a quick little walk around the rest of this Nashville, Tennessee Rivian dealership. There's an R1T and an R1S. So we've got all the different materials and colors. So if I do the R2, this would be the color that I'd go with on the interior, the Coastal Cloud Signature. And hard to see, but that's the purple color, the Borealis. They got some cool little accessories, like, you know, there's another flashlight and got a boom box. That comes in the R1S and R1T. You can get a model R1T truck. RT. There's the one that started the Rivian journey, the R1T. I like that color interior. That might be the color that I would get on my R2. It's like that grayish, light gray color. Downstairs, we got an R1S on the first floor here. So there is the front on the R1S, way more space. Quite a bit of space up front on that one. This is like a two-tone interior on this guy. Gray with the light gray and the wood trim. We actually took a test drive in an R1S. They didn't have any availability on the R2 today, guys, so I didn't get to drive one. But I did get to experience the R1S. Getting an EV experience and a true SUV form factor, right? See if I can find the hatch on this guy, maybe. Guess we're not opening that one. And the thing is, guys, because this is a 3-row, the seating, there's just no leg room at all, even with this as far back as it'll go. So if you don't need a 3rd row, R2 for the leg room for sure. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video of the Nashville, Tennessee Rivian dealership here. We got to see our first R2 in person. So we're going to spec ours out and put in our reservation, so stay tuned for that video. But for right now, we're gonna get on the waiting list, and I think it's gonna be our first EV after Tesla. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.